Let's create a course and subject in OpenEduCat in just a few clicks. From the SIS module, go to Dashboard, Course. Now, click New to add a new course. Enter course name, code, and fees terms. Now, add subject here from Add a Line. Create new subject here. Enter the subject name and code. Then select course and add credit point for example 5. After all, choose whether it's theory, practical, both, or other. Click Save and Close. You can also create subject from Subject Smart button from the top. Click on it and create new subject as it is, and your subject is ready to use. You can now open the course in Dashboard and see the subject is reflected inside.